We'll just start right there and you'll be Uncle George.
Okay.
We're rolling.
Good
And
enough.
you brought Mrs. Uncle George.
Mrs. Uncle, yeah.
What's going on, bud?
Well, this, of course, was the main reason for coming. And
Yep. Looks like your belly.
Oh, God. If I set up for a while, it starts to hurt right through here
Okay.
and up the back. Because when this thing popped, it went off like a shotgun.
Okay, so does it feel differently when you have a bowel movement? Or after your bowels moved, does it feel better?
No.
Okay.
Not that I've
You had a little operation in that area, didn't you?
a little. Had a lobectomy.
Mm-hmm.
And in the process of doing that,
Right.
because I was pneumonia 9 months out of a year when I was a kid.
Mm-hmm.
He went in there and there was all kinds of
Adhesions.
adhesions. And he had to carve all this area out.
I think they were just billing your insurance.
They
That's
were.
all. They were just looking
And
for
on top
profit.
of that, he had a buddy that does bowel work, and so he nicked the.
Oh,
He nicked the colon and.
okay. Pull your shirt up. I just want everybody to kind of see. So when you were young, in your teen years,
No, I was
you're younger than that?
third grade.
Third grade, you got pneumonia so bad that they actually had to remove part of one of your lungs.
No.
You didn't have a lobectomy.
No, I had a lobectomy June of this year.
18.
June 18.
Oh, this is the recent surgery.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm with you. I thought you had a second surgery when you were younger, or first surgery then. Okay, and so now what's happened is because of the old damage to your lung, you had to have a lobectomy.
Yeah, he was going to go just pop in and pull out, but
Right.
he started in and couldn't.
Yeah.
He went and carved it all
Okay.
out.
All right, and I've seen you since then, and you and I have talked about some of this, but you're kind of an interesting case, so I wanted to share it with our friends on YouTube, because they had to split you open here, and when they went in here, they left you with a ventral hernia, so you can see how soft that is right there. There's no muscle tissue connected there,
No.
but you've got the same problem here now. This is torn loose. Did they put some mesh in there?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think you have any mesh, but you want to know what I think? I think you're gonna get some
I
mesh.
think so too.
So what's happening here, and the reason this is pushing out, is your bowel contents, your bowels, are actually pushing out, causing this to pooch out like that, all right?
Yeah.
And that's why if you were to lie down, it gets flat again, right?
Oh yeah, because I had to go in for that last CT scan.
And it went flat.
Well, I told you, and
Yeah.
on top of that, he only took it up here.
Right. Now, typically, when somebody has a hernia around where the belly button is or supposed to be, or on the front part of the abdomen here, we call it a ventral or anterior hernia, and generally speaking, they're not dangerous. But sometimes if it's low like this, or for other reasons, if there's a lot of scar tissue, it is possible that you can get bowel that will get stuck in there, and it can get strangulated and to go gangrene, okay? And that's a bad thing.
I think so.
You know that.
Yeah, Uncle George thinks so.
Uncle George knows so. So you're back because you're ready to go get this fixed.
I think so.
All right. So I'm going to send you over to a surgeon, a general surgeon, is who you want to see for this, and have them open you up, repair all that, but be prepared. They might need to put a piece of mesh in there.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully it's better mesh than that stuff you see
on
advertised on TV. Yeah. Or then again, it might be, you might get lucky. You might get some of that old stuff and be able to cash
Get
in.
me a lawyer.
Yeah, get you a lawyer.
Yeah.
Cash, right?
Right. Yeah, cash option.
Yeah, we'll take the cash option, not the 20-year payout. I'm with you.
Okay.
All right, and now the important thing for you to remember is, and we'll get to you in just a minute. I don't want you to think I'm ignoring you. The important thing is between now and the time that you see the surgeon or you have the surgery, if it ever pushes out like it is now, but you can't push it back in, that's a problem.
Yes.
Or if it starts hurting a lot, or if you start having shaking, fevers and chills, okay, you should be able to easily push that back in. Now they make belts that you can wear around that, or you can just do like a wide ace wrap and kind of just hold everything in if you want. Yeah, that's safe to do. You can do that. And in fact, I have one I can give you today that you can wrap around a couple of times just to give yourself a little support down there if you'd like.
Well, yeah. See, like I said, we just made a little trip up to Memphis and back in 4 days.
How's Elvis?
You know, that guy had left the building. He was
Yeah,
gone.
he's gone?
Yeah.
Okay.
But other than that, his history's good.
This,
But
yeah.
no,
yeah.
we met in the 4-day drive, you know,
Mhm.
to up and back.
Mm-hmm.
It got pretty sore,
Yeah.
and mainly over here,
Mm-hmm.
and it's,
You're pretty sore now, but your bowels are still moving.
oh yes.
Okay, everything's ready.
No
Okay.
problem there.
Well, we're gonna get you. We'll
This
get
is
you.
tight.
Okay, it's, yeah. Well, it's gonna be because everything's out of order. So
Oh,
we'll,
yeah.
we'll get you a referral in. Hopefully, we'll get you in to see the surgeon this week, and he can get you scheduled right away. I know a real good surgeon. Actually, I know a couple of really good surgeons that work in this area and also over in Tomball, so we can get you hooked up. Okay. All right.
Okay.
The other problem was, you know, when I fell and broke my hip,
Yeah.
that was December the 12th.
Yeah.
It's not getting well.
Are you still doing the therapy?
Oh, I can't.
You can't. Well,
With
that's
this.
why it's not getting well. See, because
I did it up until,
when you bust your gut out doing therapy, they don't tend to want you to come back and do more therapy.
well, it wasn't getting any better to start with.
Okay. Well,
I kept going back to Dr. And all he would say is, X-ray, it's straight, and walk out. And that's as far as I've
you
got.
want me to go find him and whoop him for you?
No, I would like maybe if you could find some other doctor that would be willing to go in, maybe do an MRI and see,
Mm-hmm.
because when I broke my arm years ago,
I can definitely get you another referral for a second opinion on what's happening with your hip. That is not an issue.
let's do that.
Okay. All right, we'll do that. Well, we have to stop now or this is going to turn into a mini-series.
Oh, can't we get options for the
Well,
next year?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. You're a good fellow, Uncle George. Thanks for sharing your story with us, and hopefully things will go well with the surgery, and when it's all done, you'll let us see how it turned out, okay?
Okay.
All right, buddy.
Show my scars.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.